Now the question number 3. In the question number 3, they have given the shoppers who come, the weekly wages of 30 workers in a factory. So this wages they have given of 30 worker. So they have given the wages of the 30 workers they have given. So here they have told we have to make the frequency distribution table, and the interval they have given that we have to use the interval 800 to 810, 810 to 820, and so on. So here we will see if any number is there less than 800. See, sometimes they are giving this interval, but they are giving the between interval. So here we have to see in this pages it is less than 800. So we are seeing there is no wages, it is less than the 800. So here we will write from 800 to 810, 810 to 820, 820 to 830, 830 to 840, 840 to 850, 850 to 860, 860 to 870, 870 to 880, and 880 to 890, and 890 to 900. See, I have already seen number is not greater than 900. You can also see all are giving in between the 800 to 900. So we have written till the 900. So here you have to see the lowest value also and the highest value also. Highest value is 898. So now we will draw the tally mark here. So here we will see first number 830. Before drawing the tally mark, if it is given 810 to 820 and 820 to 830, so we know that this is what lower limit and this is what upper limit. Now here you remember it is starting from 810 to 820, and here 820. Now see, 820 is where at two places the 820 is there. So remember, here in the upper limit we are excluding the number, and in the lower limit we are including the number. So excluding means what? That we are leaving here 820 will not come here. Where will 820 will come? In the lower limit, in the next interval. Here it will start from 810 until where it will come 819. 20 will not come here because it is written the upper limit, so we have to exclude, means we have to leave this number. This will not come here. Less than 820 will, all the numbers will come from 810 to 820. But here it is the lower limit, so from 820 we will include here this number, and it will come till where less than 830. Like this we have to see here also. If any number it is coming like that, see 830 is there, so we are seeing 830 here also, but this is the upper limit. Now only we have learned that we cannot take the number this in the upper limit, we cannot count. So this we are excluding this upper limit, so we will not take the 830 this one. Which one we will take? This lower limit. So here we will draw one line. Then 835 it will also come here. Then 890, so 890 again see two are there, so where we will take the lower limit. Upper limit it excluded, we are counting in the lower limit. Then 810, so 810 where it will come? In the lower limit we will count. 835, so 835 here it will come. 836 again in this interval. Then 869, where 869 will come? See, it will come 860 to 870, 869, so we will draw one line. 845, 845 will come in between these two, so we will draw here one line. Then 898, so where it will come? 898 in the last interval, because 898 will come in between 890 to 900. Then 890, Again 890 is came, so we know that here 2 in upper limit excluded, and where it is included in the lower limit, so we will draw the line here. Then 820 is there, so see where it will come in this interval, it will not come in this interval. 860, it will come in this interval. 832, see 4 line already is there, again it is coming. If number in that interval, then we are drawing that in a cross. This is the fifth line. Whenever we are drawing the tally mark, after drawing the 4 line, the fifth will come in the cross. 833, again in the same interval. 855, 855, it will come in between here. 845, it will come in this interval. 804, it will come here. 808 also will come in the first interval. Then 812, it will come in the second. 840, it will come in this interval. 885, it will come in the second last. 835, again in this interval. Again 835, so 2 time it is there, so 2 time here it is came. 836, again in the same interval. 878, so it will come in this interval. 840, in this interval. 868, so it will come in this interval. 890, so again in the last. 806 in the first, and 840, so here 4 is already there, one more, so 5. We will count 3 2 1 5, and this 4 9, this 5 1 3 1 1 and 4, and at the last we will do the total of this. 3 2 5 9 1 10 15 20 21 24 26 and this 30. See, total 30 should come. Why? Because the 30 worker are there. If it is not coming the 30, it means what? That we have done something wrong. So here we have completed this one. Our answer number 3rd, we have to make the frequency distribution table.